Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to February 26, 2026,
26.
on the Family Life Skills Calendar. Today's activity is chat about gadgets, exploring how to use technology wisely and build healthier habits as a family. Let's get started. Step 1. Ask each family member how they use their gadgets and reflect on whether screen time feels balanced with other activities. Step 2. Talk about how technology helps us connect, learn, and entertain, but also how excessive use can affect family interaction, focus, and health. Step 3. Create a family gadget plan by setting boundaries like screen-free zones during meals or a daily gadget-free hour for family bonding. Step 4. Explore screen-free alternatives. Brainstorm activities like outdoor games, reading, crafting, or board games to foster creativity and connection. Step 5. Work as a team to stick to the plan. Celebrate successes with rewards like a family outing or movie night to keep motivation high. Let's see what you experienced and learned today. Mindfulness. Recognizing the need for balanced screen time. Healthy habits. Setting boundaries for well-being. Take time today to balance technology with well-being and connection. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First Calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.